Okay, let's start. Just to simplify, I'm just going to do a couple per section. This is the same workbook that you've got. But you can just look at this. I might probably just do 1, 2, 11 and 12 here, and then we can move on to the more difficult ones. So let's do number 1. So 3x plus 4x. So if you do something like this, you have the variable over here, which is the same, and then we have a coefficient here. There's nothing in front of the 3, just see it as an invisible plus. So what you do, if you see a x, which is in this case this x over here and this x over here, you know that the answer will be x. So that's the like term, the x. In the coefficients, you'll just add up. So there's nothing here, like I said, there's a plus. So on your calculator, you can just say plus 3 plus 4, or 3 plus 4, and so 3 plus 4 is 7, and then that answer will just be 7x. So the first one will just be 7x. That's your answer. Let's do the second one, 5a minus 2a. So 5a minus 2a, again, you look at the like terms. In this case, it's only a that we have, so your answer will be a. And then you look at the variable that you have, not the variable, the coefficient that you have, and in this case you have a 5 here and a minus 2. So the first one was pluses, this is now 5 minus 2, and on your calculator you can just say 5 minus 2, that answer will be 3, and that 3 you just put in front of the a, so that answer here will be 3a. And just do, I'm going to do one with a minus, it's not in here. But let's suppose you have minus 4y plus 3y. So again, what you do, put it in the calculator. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3. So if you put that in the calculator, minus 4 plus 3, you will get the answer of minus 1. But now the variable is y, and we only have y over here. So that will be your variable, and then you put, let's for now put the minus 1 in front. But it's not minus 1y. The 1 you can ignore in this case, and your answer will just be minus y. But very important, if you do this on a calculator, this is just normal integers. If you do it in a calculator, you must put the minus 4 in, and not 4 plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3, and then you'll get minus 1. Let's maybe do one with 2 negatives. So if you do 2 negatives and you get, for example, minus 7 minus 6, minus 7 p minus 6p, again look at the variables, that's the same, which is p and p. So now you know your answer will be p, and now you do the integer part. We have minus 7 and minus 6. On your calculator, type minus 7 minus 6, you'll get minus 13. So your answer will be minus 13p. Okay, thank you.